boys and girls. Today I will be talking to you about cooking and chores long ago. At the end of this video, I want you to be able to explain how people cooked food long ago and talk about chores that kids had a long time ago. Jose is eating spaghetti for lunch at school. How was Jose's spaghetti made? Someone boiled the water to make the pasta. They cooked the sauce on a stovetop. Could people long ago cook food as fast and as easy as we do today? Of course not. People long ago did not have ovens like we have now. They had to cook food over a fire. First, someone had to gather wood and start the fire. People would use the fire to cook everything. They cooked meats and vegetables over the fire. They cooked cornbread and baked goods over the fire. They cooked stews and soups over the fire too. Children often had the job of gathering and chopping wood for the fire. Do you know what chores are? Chores are the things that need to be done around the house. What other chores do you think children had long ago? Children had to harvest the vegetables. That means pick them up from the garden and bring them in the house. They had to plant seeds in the fields. They had to cut and bundle hay. My goodness, that seems like a lot of work. They had to churn butter. They couldn't buy it at the store. They had to make it by moving a stick up and down for a long time. Children helped to keep their homes clean by sweeping and tidying up. Do you do that? They gathered freshly laid eggs. And they helped feed the animals. Now you might help feed your animals at home if you have pets, but these animals were animals on the farm that gave the people things like milk and eggs. Imagine getting up early in the morning to collect the milk from the cows, and then washing your clothes. You definitely didn't have a washing machine or a dryer. Cooking food required wood. You would put the wood in the oven and light it on fire to make it hot. There was no button to push. Here you see the girl mixing dough to make bread. You definitely couldn't go to the grocery store to get some. Here's what it looks like to churn butter. You use butter to cook almost every day. Kids, even as young as you, would need to help to make dinner. If you didn't help, there wouldn't have been anything to eat. Now you see her knitting a sweater. She couldn't go to Target to buy a new shirt. Life long ago was not easy. It would have been a lot of work to be a kid. You'd spend most of your day either at school or doing chores. Just imagine how your life would be different if you lived long ago. Hopefully now you can explain how people cooked food long ago and the chores that kids had long ago. Thank you for learning with me, boys and girls. See you later.